What do I get from my financial statements? The annual financial report shows whether or not you have actually earned money in your business in the past years. A comparison with previous years will give you an insight into how the business and income are developing. Comparison with other companies shows whether you are performing better, the same, or worse than comparable firms. Strategic resource. The annual figures tell you how well you are implement the processes from the financial point of view. Therefore, it is important you obtain them soon after the end of the financial year, since you will still remember what you did, how you did it, and why. In addition, you can modify things quickly that did not go well enough. First, you use your annual figures to determine the amounts of yield, income, expenses, and other outflows. You determine this in total and for each part of your business activity. From there, you know how your business has run economically, both overall and in specific areas. In addition, you need the annual figures to make decisions about choices that will arise in the future. Help from consultants. A financial consultant is an expert in reading and interpreting the figures and is indispensable for understanding and using the annual figures. The consultant can help you with going through the figures in a structured way and explaining the numbers and terminology. Explaining which production characteristics and choices influence specific figures. Giving advice for making the right choices and choosing points for improvement for your business, your strategy, and your current situation. Often the business's economic consultant is the person providing the report at the annual financial meeting. Fiscal versus business economic accounting. Your tax accountant and business economic consultant have two different goals within your business. The tax account is trying to minimize the reported profit to keep the tax burden low. The business economic consultant is trying to maximize actual profits by optimizing your business. The first priority of your business should be ensuring you make a profit, with taxes being a secondary concern. A company with 100 cows is running a margin of 20 euros per 100 kilogram FPCM. The barn is full, but the cows produce 1000 kilogram FPCM less than average. How much profit is the farmer losing compared to the benchmark? 100 cows times 1000 kilogram FPCM times 0.2 euros kilogram FPCM equals 20,000 euros. Here, we assume no decrease or increase in the margin per kilogram FPCM for the extra milk produced. Fiscal versus business economic accounting. Your tax account and business economic consultant have two different goals within your business. The tax account is trying to minimize the reported profit to keep the tax burden low. The business economic consultant is trying to maximize actual profits by optimizing your business. The first priority of your business should be ensuring you make a profit, with taxes being a secondary concern. Professional technical advice. Often you will need professional technical advice for putting identified improvement points into concrete action, such as a feed consultant or the vet. Sometimes you need these consultants to explain certain figures such as feed and health cost. It is desirable to organize the meeting with your most important consultants once or twice per year to evaluate annual figures regarding the particular aspect of business the consultant handles and to identify actions for the coming year. Try doing this with all the consultants at the same time, or else you will not have coordination, and problems can quite easily transfer to another consultant's aspect of the business. Checklist to prepare for the annual financial statement discussion. 1. Read the previous year's report. Have you tackled the points for improvement? 2. Go through the current financial statements. Ensure you understand all the figures and concepts. 3. Identify points you find positive and negative from the last year. Try to find explanations for each. 4. Make a list of questions and send it to the consultant beforehand. How does a good annual meeting run? 1. Prepare for the meeting in advance, both consultant and their farmer family. 2. Ensure a friendly reception with everyone